The easiest way to think about why we test SF6 gas in high voltage equipment is to think of a metaphor. So I like to tell people, imagine you're a doctor and you have a patient that comes in and they say that they have something going on and they want to improve their health. Well, the first thing that you're going to run is a blood test. And that blood test is going to tell you, how much cholesterol they have, how much, impurities and alcohol and junk they have floating around in their blood and possibly infection. And they're going to use the results of that test to understand where the patient is at currently and where they're going to be in the future. And the same applies for high voltage equipment. The SF6 gas within the equipment will show you the impurities that have formed or the arc byproducts that have formed due to the operation of the equipment. And it tells you the state that the equipment is in right now and potentially where it's headed down in the future. So that's why our analyzer is set up with kind of a no-go-go system. And on the analyzer, you'll have the test either turn all the way green with a check mark down here in the bottom right, or it'll turn red telling you, hey, something needs to happen and an action needs to take place based on the user test limits that you have set. This does not meet that criteria. Just like if a patient came in and had super high cholesterol, there's a protocol for what happens next. So that's why I like to think of it as a metaphor for the human body and what to do next.